Pause from a square.
Oh shit. They're coming from everywhere.
Pause. What? Hashtag my officer chat. I'm gonna put on a push to talk so I don't yap too much.
I am so schizo right now. Commander, they're coming from everywhere. That no, go kill 95th. Let's not match. Let's cap everybody.
No, Niall, you were.
It's
This is such a
2v2.
small server and I want the role to actually do good today. Because they need more rankers and their ranks need to see they can cook.
No way, it's 0 though. They can
Plus,
do
I'm field
good
commanding,
on their
buddy.
own.
I'm field commanding a 3v.
They can do good on their own.
I'm going on deafen.
Right, guys, you better
Someone
drop
is
like 70
kept
kills
DMing
then.
me. It's Tokugawa kept typing.
Yeah, 300. Scam's 300.
Damage alright.
Yep.
From here.
Do we need to match them though, sir?
Yeah, we do. It's fucked up.
Just hit your shots. You guys are better at shooting.
I missed.
On God.
Korea is nationality thing, maybe? The Lopez. Oh, why are they speaking Thai? What the fuck? It's a fucking Korean line thing. Why are they speaking Thai? I don't understand. Up now. Prominently. Right here. Ah, I'm dead. You want to get shots then? Frag out. Rambo.
When you guys die, if you could come to the right, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
Because we're slowly forming into the role, and that's not good.
Up. Up. From here. Shoot them. Got shot. Betrayal. Up. Up.
Holy shit, you guys are dogging on them, boys. Keep it up.
The role's doing good as
Get
well.
them. From here. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them without run away. Up now. Up.
Mario just needs to train them, that's it. That's what he has to do.
Why are they saying we have other leads? Dude, they have Miro and shit. What do you mean? You just broke them by shooting. That's
You
just
got
weird.
my stuff, yeah, so true.
Chase them. I need you guys to hit your shots. At least like 3 more people need to die. 3 more people? No. Why they regen? How can they regen that fast? Bomb. Hit your shots. Are we alone? We're alone. Just win this shootout. We're winning this
If
shootout.
we can beat them, then we can fall back and help the roll. So we need to really win this.
We win this. We win this easily. Come on, look at our kills. Look at the coming strength. Up now. Good. Up a bit. Keep shooting. Beat them by shooting. Up now. From here. Keep shooting. Point blank. Up. Chase them. We are scattering the skirm first. We're trying.
Kill one more, boys. Kill one more. Good
Scatter.
shot.
Run, back. We're turning around.
Leave the last three alive, leave them.
Yeah, let them walk back to their spawn.
Oh,
It's gonna be really depressing for them.
Yeah, exactly, and they can have no more
Good
battle
shit.
as well.
Keep
Don't kill
running.
yourselves, boys.
Keep running. Come this way. Faster, guys.
It's very quiet, huh, chat? So, like, how was everyone's day?
Pretty good.
So far.
Yeah,
We just
mine's really good.
pretty
W.
good, pretty good.
Oh my god, let's rally.
From here.
Huge ass blob.
3, 2, 1, chance. Obliterate that blob.
You do miss, remember? It's
Wow.
fine.
แน่นอน แน่นอน keep going go left alright they said they are annoyed of your commanding and shit.
Okay, all two of them are here.
Up get into that, get that flag, drop that flag for me, keep going, kill that block.
Sorry, Massa, I missed.
Go right from here. Choose come.
Really damn dog.
Pull around. Turn around, chat. We have to shoot scum, focus on scum. Our shot, that worked. But also keep shooting, we break them. We win this, come on. Up. Bomb on the road. Shoot. Keep shooting. Come on, first kill. Wow. Why like it, man? Let's keep shooting. Ignore the yapping. I'm talking to my friend. Up now. Bomb here. Keep shooting. Up now. From here. We win the shootout, guys. We win the shootout. I'm not gonna risk in a fucking shot, alright? Up now. I'm gonna break
You
them.
can risk it.
On the
No
road.
fear, Niall. There's a 95th with you.
They're retaining. Bomb on the ping. Shoot them. Kill them all. To be honest, they got shoot the shots. Good job, you obliterate them up.
Holy shit, good aim.
You just wiped, and then you hit the second shot. Bomb in front of them and shoot them. Just wipe them in one volley. I love that. Shoot them. Up now. Up. Touch them.
Camerolas, charge.
Touches. Kill one more.
Yeah,
Pull.
this
Down the
guy.
road.
Good shit.
Now, how are you supposed to be commanding those Thai guys and when they're not speaking your language?
You have to like yell at them really loud. They'll get the sentiment that way.
If he's using simplified language, it'll be fine.
I love you guys, by the way. You guys sure do a lot of damage. The enemy scale. No, we could get that flag, yeah? It's not a rush company. Let's go.
Yeah, beautiful KDs as well. Holy shit.
That is 21 people. Remember that.
Yes, sir. That's 21 people, and
21 people
We are
the first
so
to kill,
elite.
boys. Let's
I'm
go.
not gonna lie, I don't.
yeah, we're not shooting that. Just hit your long range shot.
And there's a hill in the way.
Okay, boys, we missed everything but the flip.
Pull.
Hill in the way. that's-
Pull. Wee, run away. From here. Oh wait, that's a rock. From this way. But Sudnor. They ran so far away. From
Aim
here,
right,
right?
boys. The scrims are gonna rail us. Stop.
Plop.
On the ping.
Pull. Stop pulling. They have rush. Oh wait, we're winning that. Kill them all. We're winning that. Kill them all then. Kill them all. We win
What your
this.
company said?
They just ran out of rush like, as soon as they got in.
They just run out. No,
God bless.
they're dead. God bless them. Gather them. Spawn.
W. We're gonna trade break.
Trade break. We win. We win this. Run. run that way. Yep, we want. Run this way.
You guys actually just spawn killed them. I hope y'all know that. Holy fuck.
Yeah, that's
We
good.
need to scatter. We need to scatter. We need to reform, bro. We need to
Wanna pull a
recover.
bit, sir?
You need to be a bit far away, maybe.
Pull a bit, pull a bit, pull a bit.
Oh, boy.
This way. Up now, up, 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 up.
Yeah, no, I forgot the 95th company was still there.
Alright. Go up, Japan, go up.
Try to set that flag
Go
down,
for the
boys.
flag, put a
Travel.
flag, put a flag, put a flag, put a flag, put a flag. It's so oblivious.
Good.
It's so oblivious. Japan, you better cap this fucking hell. Go.
Whoever can cap the flag, you'll get instant promotion.
You hear that? Go get it, boys.
Japan, go for it. Go far behind us. We'll go this way. Keep going. Keep stabbing. Drop that flag. Japan, go for the Andor. Hold that Andor back, please. Up. Drop the flag fast. Keep going. Keep chasing. The skirm are so far away. I would like to pull, but I'm not sure where to pull.
Oh, we got this. One more snipe, boys.
Dude, I have to get this.
God,
Flag,
fucking shit.
cap. Ready, run away.
Nice, Rob. Nice.
95th,
Whoever has
bomb.
the flag, you might want to go southwest.
Yeah, Rob, come. Rob, go run. Oh yeah, he's getting a photo.
Flag, keep running, flag.
Yeah, it's good, actually.
Flag.
Yeah, I'm body blocking.
He's like body block him.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we're good.
Run this way.
I'm assuming you got a photo. If you can send it to General later, then you know that's proof you can use for your promotion.
It's a mirror.
Oh yeah, Jinners did say you'd get a promotion. Good shit, Rob.
Yeah, I'll talk to Arctic about it.
Bomb shit.
What's your company, sir?
Turn around. Go right. Shot right.
Why is there-
Japan counter. Up.
Sir? Oh, okay.
Just run.
I just got dragged into the other company, so sorry, guys.
No.
Run this way.
Yeah, I did. I'm civilian.
Japan, just get yourself. I am running, for fuck's sake. Not much you can do with like 4 people. 3? 4?
So, will I get moved back to the other company, sir?
Where are you? Why are you there? Get back
Someone
here.
dragged me, sir.
Gonna send someone else over real quick.
Oh, Arctic John thing.
Uh,
I got moved as well.
Oh my god, I just got a real
Go,
QX. I feel bad.
Get that flag.
Yeah, I have 0 morale. 3, 2, 1, Shan.
Pull this way. Pull. Japan, you need to help me with the scum.
Don't go in, boy. Don't go in. Don't be the reason why we break.
Yeah, we don't have company, just ignore. Come here. Oh, it's fine.
Again, boys, for me. 3, 2, 1, Shan.
Keep shooting.
Thank you.
We win our shootout, by the way. Shan, 3, 2, 1. Shan again.
Sorry, that was too soon, sir.
No, it's fine. I need some shanters. Keep shooting. We win our shootout.
What's your company now? It's tremendously lower than theirs. We're losing now.
Yeah, we have to pull. 95 got a pull. We are roll. Run.
So, Uzi's in the other lane. What the flip?
Yeah, he just woke
Yeah,
up. He joined after me and I
Betrayal.
dragged over.
Run, keep running. Don't turn around.
Pull our average all the way back, boys.
All the way back. Hold W. Run away. Keep running away.
And we're good.
And turn around. Come here. Shoot them.
Holy fuck, it feels so good. I'm actually hitting my shots now.
I don't understand. I'm just fucking out. Come here. Up with. Keep shooting.
Shot Arctic twice now.
Keep shooting. Up now. On the road. On the road. To the road. To the
Freddy,
road.
please don't shoot me, man.
Stop. Hi Arctic, what's up? Arctic, rob me.
them.
Arctic, someone needs to get promoted, by the way.
Nope, you won't emote. If someone shots me, it's banned. Okay, Rob, you're banned. I'm sorry, dude.
No, Rob the one
Get
who
out
needs
of
to be
the
promoted.
No, not
No,
Rob.
he's banned.
Pom,
No,
pom,
dude,
pom, pom, pom,
Arctic,
pom,
he-
here, pom,
Bro,
here, pom,
female
here.
boy
You can't
Rob.
get to the tower flag. He needs
Maybe
promotion.
don't
Shoot
shoot
them
me.
when they're
this is
running
wrong.
away.
I got shot again. Red action banned as well.
Oh my god.
So got you.
I'll
See,
take
you're
it to
dying.
you now,
So
buddy.
the farm. Pom here. Japan, what's your right?
Up.
I'll get up again.
Never gonna
Come
see
in,
me
too.
down.
I'm gonna knock you
They're
down,
shooting
buddy.
Japan. Why are they shooting
Oh,
Japan?
civilian you banned as well.
Up.
Your Lego Korea is
Oh
over.
my god.
Your
Korea
Korea is
over.
so.
Nah.
I'm shooting Uzi. I'm trying to find Uzi right now.
You need to get as angry
Dude,
as fucking that Belgian guy.
he's a guy with a
Okay.
dark complexion with the Haitian uniform.
The
I think this is-
Haitian uniform. Alright.
Xy.
Freddy, did you kill that guy again?
He
That's
did.
what I
I just saw him drop.
Pom here, shoot.
Hi Arctic. No, I'm
Why are we pulling? Why are we pulling? Why is the whole regiment pulling? Let's keep holding the line. We're fighting the skirm. We're matching them. Flop, flop center. Flop, 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 flop. Flop, 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 flop,
Say,
flop,
we'll
flop,
know
flop,
that
flop,
boys.
flop,
We'll
flop,
with
flop,
each other.
stop,
With
stop,
each other.
stop,
With each
stop,
other.
stop, stop. Win your stabbing.
You're winning. You're winning. You're winning.
You're winning, you're winning, you're winning, you're winning, you're winning, you're winning, you're winning.
Arctic.
I am
stop
winning.
trying
We are
to
winning.
do.
We have won. We won. We won. Why else do we have to run away? Oh, I see
Korea's
now.
gone- Yeah. Well, quote unquote Korea.
Reform, please.
Good shot. Good shot. Whoever set that flag down.
Come here. Shoot them. Come here, shoot at them. Shoot, 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 shoot. Ah, they're running away now. Bastard. I mean, we are recovering right now. Come here. Just shoot. We're recovering. We are recovering right now. Keep shooting. ไม่เดี๋ยวมันมาทางนี้สเกิร์มมันจะมาทางนี้ Man the skirm is coming this way
Man.
คือมันไม่เล่น
Oh my
ส
God.
เกิร์มแล้วบอกแล้ว
Let's
มัน
spawn
มา
kill
หา
them, boys.
It's fine.
shoot
they're
them
fine.
shoot those fuckers shoot those
If you
black
see
men
Arctic, make sure you shoot him.
yeah make sure you shoot Arctic Uzi by the way 5 extra
Yeah,
points for
Chad.
Arctic
He's a guy with a dark complexion. So
Yeah,
his
like,
avatar
take-
looks like
take
a
your-
bomb
No, he's a
too.
little.
Up,
He's a
up,
bit
up,
light,
up.
to be fair. He's a bit light. In all fairness.
Bro, what? Yeah.
Yeah, I
Watch
killed
your
him
right
again.
Maybe you have color blindness.
Cap on you.
Yeah, no, he's a bit light. He's like a light brown.
Keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. Hit your shot, don't miss,
He's at
and
front.
we
He's
are
at
good.
front. Shot him again.
Judge.
Up.
Well, we're just bullying Uzi at this
Up,
point.
up, up. From here, shoot them. Don't worry, from. You could just go request,
Sir, commission to Rambo, sir.
sir. Granted, go disrupt the
Let's
formation.
let it go.
Up,
Oh,
Stop,
Chad
to the front.
was actually winning. What the fuck?
Look at left. Look at
Oh,
left,
Chad was
sir.
actually winning. What?
good job.
I'm going for the fucking
Let's
flag.
get back.
I don't care
That's the
anymore.
first.
Up,
First time for them.
up, 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 up.
What the fuck?
Keep chasing them. They're not gonna reform. They're gonna try to save.
Chad, because I Rambo to have 0 morale. 3, 2, 1,
Watch your
chant.
right. Watch your right as well. We can break them. We can break them, by the way.
Yeah, just stand
Keep
top
going
of
up.
stand.
Keep going up. Keep going up. Chase them. Chase them. Bomb here and shoot. Just 2 more kills and we broke them. Broke. Japan, run away. Keep shooting those bastards. Don't let them get the rush.
W. Wait, kill one more. You see West? 3D5?
No, I missed Arctic by that one stud.
Pull, 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 pull,
Oh,
pull.
he was really far away as well.
Run away, chat. You should go back to
No,
the
I'm
road, maybe.
reloading.
Where's the roll?
Nah, I think I'll reload.
Like a lot, I feel like cutting my internet out right now.
Oh my god.
Farm the rock. Use the rock as your cover. Pop out and shoot them. They don't have rats anymore, I'm pretty fucking sure.
I just killed Uzi, let's fucking go.
Farm on the
You're on
right.
top of the rock too.
God bless.
Japan, watch your eyes. Keep shooting them. They're gonna run out of brush already.
Yeah, no, they don't have rush.
Ha! You win in a long range fight. I know my man.
Sure, thank you for staying behind the rock. I constantly have a skirmish puff so I can dance around. This is OP.
How the fuck did you get on the rock?
I see
How are you not
I
dead?
climbed, sir. It's because
Right.
I'm a Scottish child. Scottish people don't die.
Up a bit.
Oh yeah, Sam was
Bomb,
okay.
yeah.
Never mind. We're going up.
You know what, now,
Got two stars
where
now?
are you? I'm body blocking for you, buddy.
Oh, thank you, sir. I think I see that one guy aiming. Yep, that
Say
guy was
what?
aiming for me. I
You're
see
welcome.
that one guy was aiming for me. Thank you, Freddy.
Alright, you know the drill.
Yes, they're still trying to aim for me. I'm holding a hostage right now. Up.
I did it again.
Keep shooting. I need to be fucking hell. This guy, we need to like win this fucking thing. I'm trying to beat the scum so I can go
We
help.
need Arctic to have a negative KD.
Don't worry, he
I
will.
see.
He will have one.
Up, 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 up. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
He's
Not
already
bad.
16 and 19.
W.
Stop moving around when you're reloading.
Oh,
Up a bit. That means Wally. Just ran to the Wally.
Arctic
I'm so
again.
great. Keep shooting, keep shooting, keep shooting. Up a bit. Come here.
No!
No! Oh, Freddy, you shoot that guy for me. Thank you. Love you.
I
I'm trying
fucking
to keep
missed.
Uzi, but I cannot.
Someone else killed him.
Oh, okay. Shoot, 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 shoot. Stop, stop, stop. Kill, kill, kill.
Good shit on the left side. Holy fuck!
Oh,
amount of bodies there, holy
Arctic's in the
shit.
middle. I was moving back.
Yeah, soon, soon, soon. We're about to break the scum. Going up. Mario's being mad at me
Why is he being mad at you?
because
He's getting angry, dude. He's angry and shit.
apparently we took all the elites.
I mean, I think the elites wanted to be with you, to be fair.
Well, to be fair, it's not
Yeah.
my fault.
Oh, so there's a hill in the way.
Up. You guys just meet that Brunswick guy. That's not
There's a hill in
bullshit.
the way, buddy. There's a hill in the way.
No, just shoot through the hill. Honestly.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Let
There
me
we
just.
go.
If you're
let me
if you're
enable
really
sign up
chosen,
real
man.
quick.
If
Yeah,
you're really
yeah,
chosen, man, you
shit.
can like shoot through the ground and kill someone in China.
What? Why would I
Are we
want to do
winning?
that?
It's just to show off your capabilities, obviously.
I love
Clearly.
China.
Go on, tree and shoot. Shoot the
That
guys
is
who
too.
are in the
The
back.
girls are nice.
Aim
Oh,
for the
missed
one in the back.
Arctic.
Up now.
I killed Terry.
Nice.
Bomb on the road. We're at the road right now. Smashing enemies gun.
Arctic keeps walking around. What the fuck?
Yeah, Arctic, stop walking.
This guy's around.
He's not in scum
Up.
formation. The freak.
He's actively throwing for his
I'm
team.
gonna
Get
fucking
in.
use a
Nah.
rifle now.
Guys, don't be like Arctic. Don't move around in the line.
Up, 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 up. Bomb here.
killed Arctic.
Up. Cut them off. We can kill those guys on the right, yeah? Keep going up.
I have no morale, boys. 3,
Stab
2,
them,
1,
stab them.
Chen.
We split their forces in two. Stab them. Stop. They got caught up.
Arctic TP'd
Oh my
away.
god, Arctic just blinked.
Arctic just playing.
No, it's fine. It doesn't change the company.
Kill.
Guys, someone
that
clip
off,
that.
Yeah,
Where's the
company,
NW
yeah.
staff? He's gonna get warned.
Alright. Go to the side. Form here. Form and shoot.
Watch your company, sir. We're like losing.
So close.
My Discord is
Close
fucking
range.
broken. Let's go.
This is actually.
Keep shooting them. Go left. They're all move up. We're going behind them.
You say they're all mobile? What?
เดี๋ยวเราขยับหน่อย Thank you, because let's keep shooting. Go left. What could be the time? Right, they're mad about your field commanding, by the way. I mean, Chef has said they say it's annoying or some shit, even though it's like very good. I really like that. Bomb. Why is there a fucking
Damn.
negative?
That whole wall just killed 3 people. Let's go. W.
Hold. The skirmishers are coming back. On the rock.
No,
Let's regain first, let's regain first.
Yeah. They're not coming, dude. They're chilling over there.
Yeah, we just use a rock to assault cover it and keep shooting them up. We just need to regain a bit of our CP on it max. Okay.
A bit of what?
Why do you like CP so much?
I don't know, man.
No,
It's just really nice. Yeah,
We need
no.
to take an intervention for you, buddy.
Is
Why
that
is
like one
there
of the things you have to
95th
like
man
if
now?
you want to be an officer?
I mean, yeah, you need to like it if you want to be
Up
an
left, up
NW officer.
Up left.
to be fair.
Damn. So what if I'm an NCM?
Oh, yeah, you're in the middle of the pipeline then.
Yeah, you're stuck in the closet for
I think I know why the roll commands are not that great. It's because like they don't listen to field commands and shit, you know.
I mean, who cares at this point? They're doing good.
Shoot left, we are
Good
just
job on 3 stars, by the way. The other 95 has none.
up.
God bless.
We definitely did not shoot the elite, alright? It's not my fault. Oh,
Yeah.
I see Uzi! Kill the Uzi!
Yeah,
Kill that Uzi,
He's on the
man!
left, he's on the left.
Kill
we
on the
should
left,
command
he's
a
on the
volley
left!
on Uzi.
He's just standing by. Oh my god, he's moving back. Hold on.
I shot
Hell
him.
yeah, good job, Silver.
Nice.
Blast. You can crash, right? Up.
Oh yeah, look at that Tokugawa line. It has 0 company.
Yeah. Just shoot that shit. Shoot everything.
Shoot the Asian boys.
Up.
This is totally not racially motivated.
This is not regular.
It's the American. What's the shit the
Go on the
Asian?
left. Go on the left. So true. Go on the left.
Alright, I was like pretty far behind. Watch out when they
Bomb
like
here.
regain.
Just keep shooting them. Chan, 3, 2, 1, Chan. Just break them.
Oh no, it's a Tokugawa line. Run!
On the left.
No.
Shoot the scum. Go more left. Shoot skirmisher. They're hiding behind.
Someone took the bullet for Arctic. That's fucked up.
Nah.
Bro, why?
Keep
I would
shooting.
never take a bullet for someone. I would never trust.
I just shot someone.
Did
in the
it
head.
again,
Good job.
fuck's-
Pull.
That's sick, dude.
Pull a bit. We need to regain.
We're
Bomb
good
here.
on
Get some CP. Shoot
Okay.
the Japanese line.
Alright.
Shoot the Japanese line, yeah?
Why are you talking about CP for?
We need more CP. What do you mean?
Oh no.
Blood gonna go to jail, so true. Average and W commander, honestly. Seal the break on Tokugawa, boys, if you're in the far.
NW Nation commanders when they rally 100 people.
You said. Let's keep shooting. Keep shooting.
Alright, man,
keep
Tokugawa's
shooting,
gonna regain
keep
his
shooting.
foot.
Up.
I think Mario rage quit.
Zeros suck. Zeros cannot hold the line. Why?
No, the roll, my beloved.
Zero. Why
Keep the
the rolls?
shots,
Oh
dude.
shit. The roll can speak English in fact. Keep shooting!
Bro, don't say that. The roll's like fucking amazing, dude.
I've
Yeah,
never heard of
sometimes
the
they're
roll up until
annoying.
now.
See, on the far right, okay, they're running away right now, but they were holding earlier.
But-
That's what that matters.
And now they're running away.
That's what that.
Why
oh,
are they
God.
running away?
Oh,
Oh, no,
they got
they're
low
running
company.
away.
That's fine.
Readjust.
Yeah, low company. It's fine.
Keep shooting, keep shooting. The lines are gonna ignore us. Just keep shooting. Win this match so we can go help. Quick.
No.
Up,
Region, are you gonna move to
up
the other
a
line?
bit. Bomb here. I wanna shoot lines too, but like soon.
Arctic's on the left. Oh, nice. I just seen drop.
Kill those
fucking egg.
bastards. I fell Arctic! Ha!
With a pistol? Oh my god.
Get your Arctic.
Arctic is currently going 29-29.
Bomb,
We need
bomb,
to kill him
bomb.
more.
You see, I shoot you. He shot me, sir.
Arctic's
Keep shooting.
Arctic's on the left, moving around.
Just keep shooting, just shooting. If we win this, up.
That
They're
kills
going
them,
out
yeah.
of the cover. They're stupid. Bastard. Come here, shoot. Shoot them with a runaway. Up now. Why are they playing inter spawn? This is so annoying. Just shot them, shoot them. One volley. That's all I want. Alright, pull now. If is coming around, I'll go help you.
Good job on 5 stars, by the way.
Holy
Find
shit,
this way,
5
that's
stars. My goodness.
Someone test if trail arms actually make you faster? Like,
No.
someone check it
It
for
doesn't come on.
Doesn't?
Don't be silly. Don't be silly. It doesn't.
Wait, hold shots, boys. Look up front.
Hold shot.
What makes you faster is holding your hat, and you can trust me.
Oh, I dropped that flag for me, yeah? Someone, if you have your shot.
Wait to get closer, sir. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know, sir. Oh, now they don't. Now they know. Watch the snipe, boy. Fucker. God damn it.
Keep going. Just keep going. It's fine. We're
We have
here.
allies with us, boy.
Just keep going. We can cap this Japanese. Come on. Keep going. Hold W. Go for the Japanese flag. Go for every flag.
Turns are on our left now, sir.
So,
We
go
can pull
left.
back towards our ally. Okay.
Bomb
Good
on the left. Let our allies do with the rest. Alright, we're pulling out. Just for bomb. Shoot them all. Go a bit more left.
Uzi's around the way.
Is he trying to fucking assassinate us, dude?
We have less company strength. We should pull. Japan should start pulling. Keep shooting.
Hey, I think we need to pull now.
Run!
Wait,
Run
oh my
away!
God, you're right.
Run away! Run left, run left, run left, run left.
Towards ping, boys, towards ping, towards ping.
Right, blop, 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 blop.
Stick with one another, boys. With one another.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, everything is fine. It's not fine, it's not fine. Actually, I overestimate.
No, Jawa
broke
got
down.
fucking... Jawa basically died.
Oh, it's alright. Oh, wait, we also scattered them. We traced that scatter, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna come
Oh,
back.
so close. So close. Ah, yes. Flop and kill. Let's kill them now.
Get Arctic.
I'm so sorry, man.
You shouldn't be so.
Why smile?
Don't be sorry, dude. You did amazing during this.
Yeah, you're a
Honestly,
king, GG.
yeah, exactly. You stupid. Stabbed Arctic.
Oh my
Okay,
god,
these are
W.
nice KDs, honestly.
Honestly, it's so nutty. You guys are all chosen men now. Even though I'm not a staff.
Do I need to kills?
Yeah, if you didn't do the best this event, just remember you will always have the next one to try like that. It's not
Yeah.
that deep.
Let me get the audit log, the lead yet.